Generally, the geographical location of where your dust exposure occurred will determine which law applies to your compensation entitlements, not the location where you might live now. For example, if you're exposed to silica dust while working in Tasmania, your entitlements will be governed by Tasmanian law. If you have been exposed to silica dust while working in Tasmania as well as in another state, then you may have different entitlements available based on each state's law. Some jurisdictions can offer more favourable entitlements than others, so it is important to seek advice about all entitlements you have before pursuing a claim. In Tasmania, the body that oversees workers' compensation for silica exposure is WorkSafe Tasmania. Workers' compensation entitlements include lost wages, medical and out-of-pocket expenses, retraining and return to work assistance, in addition to lump sum compensation for permanent impairment. Additional lump sum benefits for a worker suffering from a terminal respiratory disease are also available. Time limits apply to lodging workers' compensation claims in Tasmania. Court claims are also available, although you may only be able to do either a workers' compensation claim or a court claim. Lump sum compensation can be claimed through a court claim. There is a 3-year time limit which applies to commencing court claims, which begins on the date of discoverability, which is the date on which the person knew or ought to have known that the injury had occurred and was attributable to the conduct of the defendant and was sufficiently significant to warrant bringing proceedings. However, this time limit can be extended in certain circumstances. Pleasingly, if you pursue a court claim for one silica-related condition, but then in the future you develop an additional condition, such as lung cancer, you can pursue an additional claim.